Kajing Penkre Jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA Nabenta ka third Sora International Half Marathon Kalayat Shakhamat Batat Hadu Menta Kiladan Hadu Nyo Hajar Tam Kibala Pendap Penrung Kerteng Yalade Yakane la Pentep da Uba Finally El Parian Secretary General ka MSOA Ha Kala Sniu Blay Haba Ai Jingkran Shekilat Pathai Kubor Haba Ai Jingkran Shekilat Pathai Kubor Uba Finally El Parian Ula Pentep Baka Jing Penrung Kerteng na benta ka marathon kan kut la syai ka sngi Shipoterik Nailur Kinong ya shimbenta haka run for fun kidan hadu san hajar san spa prapulai ngun na benta ka 10k run 21k kilong ar hajar shispa san pulai ngun bat baro kiladan hadu nyo hajar nyo spa lai pun riu ngun mentau senam ka jing sedang mare kan sedang nadu kapon rushteng menstem na light sok plea ula pentep ru bakin dan ru kinong yakop mare na bari bakentup na Bangladesh, Ethiopia, bat Kenya, ha kani ka marathon. Kuman chupan kan mau, kani ka Sora International Half Marathon, kan long ha ka arpoy trek nailur ar hajar ar pusaw.
2 from Bangladesh, 5 from Ethiopia and Kenya. So these also have given the invitation to come here because otherwise they won't be able to come to Shillong. Even then, the Indian runners, the last Indian runners, which I can mention here. So I do hope that this run will be successful. And I thank all of you once again, media. You know that this mega event, not everything will be perfect. So try to cooperate with us. You see, even the Olympics, also when we went, there are lots of loopholes there. So in spite of the Olympics, so try to cooperate, especially the participants, to be cooperative, to be on time, especially the timing. We don't want to close the traffic too long for the people of Sabah. They have been very cooperative for the last 2 months. Even now also, they are very cooperative. Along kapag kapag sebentar senang nila apa itu tang tagaran for fun jalan san haja san spa perpulai. Jadi mereka yang thom bisa 10k 21k dalam aja spa san pulai. Baru kita mereka news pak lai pindre. Jadi kalau mau arsya yang jeng one will be nomor mention senang. Yang tahu senang ni lah bukan sedang yang kepon resiteng nanti lah soplia. But ya kan fafan lu na urusan sedang keluar ya kan nang Ramadan lagi tubik mari minta kita bersama dia resiteng kalau kan. Jika kerang dari dalam bersenap pada jing sementara demi berseorang dan Islam dalam berhubung. Jika jing dapat ini sementara baru bagi mereka yang aku itu terbaru di bib di t-shirt minsa maha hakenda aku hajar stadium nado hatwe biji step ado saw biji jale. Itu ibamlah banwan sim dia chest number hamzam itu dicek t-shirt ya ya ka documents lagi zero copy berhasil fangkon bisa pada bapi bapak yang kita inamsi nama tentang dan bahasa seorang berisa apa yang kita sedang bayi kita akan hasil ni kita akan hasil dan itu berisa seorang yang kena run for fun itu ingin khas seorang cara Presbyterian School nadu haka arpo tarik nadu spau ji hadu saw ji tabaro ina mare tiawan poi tek saw shiteng hadu san ji ga bos la le ni nam ino namari habe ko basang kloy modern ting jangan su khasa pia nang bagi iya be bagi khang khang traffic sara ni ko basang kloy mentau senen ang ji mare ga pun di kategori yang increase di sipau ke nado di hapras nam jeneng hado umre bos nam jeneng di kelas tu hingga jingtrekam kalau kia saya kani kerpapa akan wana kapor pian sewaru ba mutau senam nginam gino lo jimbam breakfast abami nasi long ngin jimbam angte kabukut amau smai kapor bakut jong jimare nama katkum di ang kanun ngimla ai di jimbang menong mare baro hi ula konkret apa kum no ba nado menmit ado no point step to sabha ban kema ba ngina mai ba ya kinasulong ba sararo misal ko ya dan ko cara punji tek ndre wudi step lengumta ngimla to ban priya baro no mare ya pong ya t-shirt ba ani lain atang itu mereka yang apoiki, stoki nama bagi t-shirt, ipong banyak, kita mereka yang joki, tak por iya price, kita pong yang t-shirt kita ini. Terbaru mereka yang sanki, kita pong yang t-shirt kita ini ki lebih terangin syak ki bagian yasin mentah. Jadi kemen ki nyata ki terparu ki bolak ki nak senang di kita nak esok dia tetap seru stay. Bana mi pagba harur kiar bana kersa ni nomore ki bana nomore lembang tu bisnong tu bagi nomore ki wan dan lo bitna ada gila anjing surok ko balo mi ni dia tu sara di pun yang kepat lai sok dia tete inang kepat di gila basnong ru bikin sebab yang kepat sagiro surok ki dia am sim yang nomore balo jadi seru di prize money berarti kredit ya itu di gift aspa tadi tak poin kau ispa sumber ispa penting. Ya ini di chief guest di baru ngis penting pak hadir. Ya mentahi ini lagi penting ni don di nomor Nabali, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, pak Kenya, Bangladesh aku kilometer. Terus sementara kalau kalau serkai yang play plus pak. Kalau kita lihat mungkin kita muat nomor become that in the advertisement, but the advertisement saya orang kasar je. Jadi aku boleh kita ni kita dalam nanti, maka penyak aku mana jing mereka andon ni jing dona ada kita, tapi nama jauhan, pergi ya train tentang jumlah burom dan state kan seorang
from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs side, sufficient fund has been for the organizing of this international event in Sora. Also, for successfully organizing these events from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, an organizing committee has been notified recently. And last week, on Friday, we had convened meeting with the subcommittees of this organizing committee in the presence of the officials from MOSA, President and Secretary. And it appears that everything is in place. All the subcommittees has been activated and already functioning. We are also in constant touch with the stakeholders, with BC, with STO Civil, and with the police to coordinate in all aspects. So it appears that the system is in place, and we are confident that we will be successfully organizing this third Sora International Marathon. That is all from my side. Thank you.
Elkanah Rodo from Kenya, who completed the run in 1 hour 6 minutes. There was another Indian runner who was not behind, who came second. In the women's category, Renu Singh, she won with a timing of 1 hour 10 minutes. So we hope, hopefully with a huge participation this time, we will have participants to break that record and improve the benchmark. So we look forward to this records being made at the International Half Marathon.